back to my channel, and I'm too up close and personal right now, but this video is all about skin. There's always a phase in our life where we go through acne, dull skin, acne scars, and I think I found out the solution to it. So I've got these 5 DIY face masks that help your skin with your acne and acne scars, and it also brightens and tightens your skin, and it's all natural. So if any of you are dealing with these issues with your skin, you might want to just stick around and let's get started. It's the most fun face mask that I use, and it really helps the skin tighten up, is the blueberry face mask. All you're gonna need is some blueberry, yogurt, and honey. You can either use frozen blueberries or fresh blueberries, anything you want to. I'm using frozen right now, so I'll just stick that into the microwave and smash them up, and I'll mix 1 tablespoon of yogurt and 1 tablespoon of honey, and just mix, and just apply to your face and wait for 30 minutes again, and just wash your face with warm water and moisturize. That's it, and you're gonna see your skin looking beautiful. Turmeric face mask. Turmeric works wonders for acne scars. If you're gonna use any mask out of all these masks that I'm gonna show you, I would really suggest you to use this one because it really helps with the acne scars. So I'll be using some turmeric, aloe vera, mix it all up and apply it to your face like so, and wait for 30 minutes again. For the next mask, I'll be using the melon seeds. So you can use any kind of melon, cantaloupe, watermelon, any sort of melon. I'll be using the rock melon today. I'm just gonna scrape out all the seeds from it, grind them, and right now it looks pasty, and I'm just gonna add some honey to it. Then mix it up, and apply to your face, and there you are. So for the last face mask, I'll be using coffee, egg whites, and honey. Make sure you only use the whites of the egg because that's what helps your skin a lot and tightens your skin up as well. So I'll just be pouring my egg whites to my coffee and a tablespoon of honey as well. And then just give it a quick mix and apply it to your face. Wait for 30 minutes and you're done, and you'll see the difference in your skin.